Kilalanin natin ang mga official and updated imports sa PBA ngayong upcoming 2026 PBA Commissioner's Cup. Terra Firma Jeep Mubashir Ali official import, 7 feet, 230 pounds, 28 years old, 14.5 points, 9.7 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 1.7 blocks, 38% three-point shooter, 68% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Georgia Super League season averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga best game highlights ni Ali sa kanyang basketball career, kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na import. Titan Ultra Giant Risers Michael Hillmore official import, 6'10", 220 pounds, 31 years old, 11.1 points, 5.6 rebounds, 0.5 steals, 0.9 assists, 21% three-point shooter, 66% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Italy Series A2 season averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga best game highlights ni Hillmore sa kanyang basketball career, kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na import. Phoenix Fuel Masters James Dickey III official import, 6'10", 215 pounds, 29 years old, 13.7 points, 11.3 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 1.9 steals, 1.2 blocks, 61 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Indonesia IBL season averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga best game highlights ni Dickey III, kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na import. NLEX Road Warriors KD Lalane official import, 6'10", 247 pounds, 34 years old, 15.8 points, 9.5 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 0.8 steals, 0.8 blocks, 22% three-point shooter, 76% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Taiwan TPBL season averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga best game highlights ni Lalane sa kanyang basketball career, kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na import. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters Jalen Johnson official import, 6'9", 230 pounds, 29 years old, 11.7 points, 5.6 rebounds, 2 assists, 0.5 steals, 28% three-point shooter, 59% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Turkey BSL season averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga best game highlights ni Johnson sa kanyang basketball career, kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na import. Magnolia Hotshots Terrell Brown Suarez official import, 6'10", 235 pounds, 27 years old, 9.5 points, 6.9 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 1.7 blocks, 41% three-point shooter, 95% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Poland PLK season averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga best game highlights ni Suarez sa kanyang basketball career, kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na import. Barangay Ginebra, Justin Brownlee, official import, 6'5", 220 pounds, 38 years old, 21 points, 3.5 rebounds, 5 assists, 1.5 steals, 0.5 blocks, 33% three-point shooter, 86% free throw shooter in his 2026 FIBA World Cup First Window Asian Qualifiers averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga latest game highlights ni Kabayan Brownlee sa kanyang paglalaro sa Meralco, kung gaano pa din siya kagaling na player ngayon. Macau Black Bears, Dwight Howard, pending import, 6'10", 265 pounds, 40 years old, 17.5 points, 10.5 rebounds, 1.1 assists, 2.6 blocks, 60 field goal percentage, 55% free throw shooter in his 33rd Dubai Championship Tournament averages. Converge Fiber Xers, Alice Johnson, pending import, 6'9", 212 pounds, 30 years old, 19 points, 11.1 rebounds, 4.8 assists, 1 steal, 38% three-point shooter, 69% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 NBA G League season averages. Meralco Bolts, Ismael Romero, pending import, 6'9", 220 pounds, 34 years old, 22 points, 17.4 rebounds, 2.6 assists, 1.2 steals, 1 block, 57 field goal percentage, 39% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 East Asia Super League season averages. TNT Tropang 5G Bobo, pending import, 7'3", 220 pounds, 26 years old, 6.8 points, 2.9 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 0.3 steals, 0.7 blocks, 34% three-point shooter, 76% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 NBA season averages. Ito ang official and updated imports ng mga PBA teams ngayong upcoming 2026 PBA Commissioner's Cup. Kulang pa ang list na to mga kababos dahil wala pang nakuhang import ang ibang teams at ang iba naman ay pending pa lang at hindi pa nila na-sign ng official. Kaya't pag nakumpleto na sila, i-update namin agad ito para sa inyo mga kababos.